Hey, Trailblazers, welcome back to AI Tech One, your destinations for everything in Salesforce. My name is Sumit, and today we are diving into something exciting, the all new Salesforce certification experience platform powered by Trailhead Academy. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this new platform is set to redefine how you learn, prepare, and certify on Salesforce. So, if you are aiming for a Salesforce certification or just beginning your cloud journey, there's a big news you don't want to miss. So, Salesforce Trailhead Academy had just introduced a brand new certification experience platform, and today we are going to break it down for you. So, the question comes that why did Salesforce decided to change the certification experience? Before I proceed, let me show you the previous certification experience platform. And before Trailhead Academy was introduced, the Salesforce uses WebAssessor account for setting up a sales for setting up or for applying for the certification exam. So in order to apply for the certification exam, first you have to sign up your account. You have to create an account on webassessor.com. And once you sign up and logged in into webassessor.com, you have options for new registration. Now, as you can see, right now I'm getting an option called new registration closed. If you can see, it is saying new registration closed. So that means no more registrations will be happening right now by using webassessor.com. If you want to check your assessments, you can go to all your assessments or all your previous certification exams you have done. You can click on this and you will get a list of all the certification exams we have, like you have given. Also, here are the receipts if you have applied for the certification and what about the receipts. So you can get all the detailed information in this section. And also, they have clearly mentioned that from the coming 21st July, uh, you are not allowed to use this platform for applying for the certification. So as you can see, it's excited to announce a personalized and simplified certification experience beginning July 21, 2025. So we are migrating to a new system. Salesforce exam registration will temporarily close for 3 weeks starting July 1. So that means for whole July, almost whole July, we are not able to apply for any certification program. But now it's all over. Like July is over, and we are into August month. So we are ready for the certification program. So as you can see, June 30, 35, the last day to register Salesforce exam before the new certification experience launches. This is old dates, and we have already crossed these dates. Now we are in the new month, and we are ready to use the new experience platform in order to apply for a certification program. And if you want to switch to the new certification experience program, you can click on this link. It says new Salesforce certification experience. As soon as you click on this, it will take you to the next tab, which is called Trailhead see the Salesforce certification and all the information you will get here. So basically, there is a Trailhead Academy has been introduced. Now, why Salesforce? Why Salesforce has decided to change the certification experience from the web assessor to Trailhead Academy. Simple. The word is evolving, and so is the way we learn and prove our skills. So, Salesforce wants to provide a more flexible, innovative, and connected learning ecosystem to their end users. So, this new platform is designed to support learning not just during the exam, but throughout their entire certification journey. So now let's dive into this Trailhead Academy. So the very first step we have to do is we need to register on a Trailhead Academy. So how I'm going to do this? Now I'll quickly log out once and then I will log in again. So let me log out now. So I'm just leaving this web assessor. We are not going to use anymore. So the very first step is we have to sign up. And once you click on sign up, you can sign up by using your Google account. Or if I'll get back, if I'll go back and click on login, we are getting. So what we need to do, we need to log in, we need to look for the Trailhead Academy. So here I look for Trailhead. I'll just search for Trailhead Academy, and this is the Trailhead Academy link URL. So I'll visit trailheadacademy.salesforce.com. Now, here we have to sign up. So we click Experiences Trailhead Academy. And what we need to do, we can click on Get Started. So as soon as I click on this, it asks me to log in. So if you have already registered, you can use your existing accounts to sign in, or else you can register, you can sign up for the free. So those who are new to Trailhead onto the Salesforce, they have to sign up for a free Salesforce account. And because we those who are already experienced and they know about Trailhead, so what they can do, they can sign up by using their account. So I'm going to sign in by using my Google account. And as you can see, I've successfully signed in into my Trailhead Academy platform. So as you can see, I've successfully logged in into my trailheadacademy.salesforce.com/home. Now here, if I start with the settings, so as you can see, there are a couple of options like logout, profile settings, instructor-led classes, online classes, which is going on, and the Trailhead Academy account. So when I click on Trailhead Academy account, it will take you to the Trailhead Academy account where you can customize. So as you can see, there are some options. Select the name displayed on your certification. So Trailblazer profile name or the legal name. Company, you can give the company name. Phone number, I am going to give my phone number as 91 space and save this. Address, we can fill the address. So we have to complete this. And the billing preferences. Billing preferences means that when you apply for the certification exam, so you would like to see the pricing in which currency. So I want to, I'm from India, so I would like to see the pricing currency in INR. You can change the currency based on your country, based on the billing country, it will change automatically. For example, if I select Hong Kong, so you can see we have US dollars, right? Or if I go for, let's say, if I select here, let's say China, then we are getting US dollar. So uh, depends on country to, so the, you have to select the country. It will automatically take the currency and you need to save this. Email preference, so the certification email will be sent to your preferred address. You need to mention your address. Language, English. Certification privacy, make my certification public to all, so that if you will be sharing this Trailhead Academy profile to, if you mention this Trailhead Academy profile on your profiles, on your resumes, and the basically the companies, the organizations, they can cross check your profile and get to know all the certifications you have on. Exam recommendation and request recommendation or view my case. So if you're a non-native English speaker, it will give you a recommendation also. So this is the Trailhead Academy platform. We can go to setting also. When I click settings, see this. So when I go to settings, I have a couple of options like privacy, connected account. Connected account means Salesforce Connect account. Right now, there is no account connected, but I can connect that. Email preferences, address, that's the same field. Career mode, you can add a video, introduce work history project as a Trailblazer profile. So for the employer, so we can prepare a short introduction video and add it here. And account deletion, permanently delete your Trailblazer account. So if you want to delete in future, you can do that, but I don't think that anybody is going to do that. Now, that is the Trailblazer setting. This setting, it belongs to the Trailblazer settings. So let's get back to the Trailhead Academy. Now, in this Trailhead Academy, if I would like to apply for the certification, Or if you want to look for the LED instructor-led classes, so click on instructor-led classes. You will get a list of all the ongoing classes and upcoming classes. For example, I want to learn Salesforce platform or marketing cloud. Click on learn marketing cloud and it will give you the list of the classes here. Just 3-day class, 5-day class, 3-day class. And if I click on a class about this class and the time, date, time, duration, and the costing. It include costing also. That is, and the Trailhead Academy account. Now, what about the certification? How can you apply for the certification? So we can go to certification. When I click certification, we have options like maintain certification, validate certifications, and view your maintenance requirement. For example, when I click on view certification, so when I click on view certification, it says certification holder, check your status. And it will redirect me to my profile and I can see the details here. I can see all my details here. I can see my details from here. If I would like to go for a certification, so I can click on find a certification. I click on find a certification. How do I apply for a certification? Let's see. I can search for the certifications available here. Let's suppose I want to apply for Salesforce Admin certification. So for the product, let's say CRM, Salesforce platform. Administrator role and the let's say foundational one. So we have these foundational, intermediate. Let's say I would like to go for Salesforce certified platform administrator. So I click on the Salesforce certified platform administrator. Here I can get the scheduled task. So you can see I can see the role, level, language, English and Japanese. Price is $200. That is 30,000 yen. This one. And register now. Get it. So if you want to get the exam guide, you can get your exam guide also. About the certification, exam details, you can get the complete info about the exam over here and prepare for your exam. If you want to prepare for your exam or you want to study for a platform administration certification exam, so here are the options. Now, if I scroll up and I want to apply, so I say register now, online and test centers. We have two options, online and test center. So if you want to apply for an online certification, you have to click on online one. And we need more information. So complete my profile. Here I need to check my details. Let's say legal name and company name. Company name is also there. Basically, I need to mention my address. That is important. So let me give my address here. Flat number S5 335 Kanpur. Select state. We have to select the state here. And I'm going for Uttar Pradesh, zip code, and country. See, save and continue. So it will be redirecting you to the exam partner. And as you can see, I redirect to my exam partner. So prepare to take your exam with online. So your computer, your testing space, your photo ID, and what to expect. And we can proceed with next. So select the exam language. I want to apply for the exam in English, or I want to attempt the exam certification exam in English language. Next, and okay, by providing, check this, yes, acknowledge, and so we have to enable all the policies and click on next. We have to agree on all the policies. English now. Is your preferable time zone? Yes, that's right. So this is my time zone, Asia, Kolkata. Now you have to select your date. So what do you need to do? Let's suppose I want to apply for, let's say, 1st of September. So I select September and recommended time 8 to 10. So timing is here. So we have the timings. Uh, I'll just want to display the timings like this, right? And book this appointment. So your check-in time will be 7:30 Asia call, like this one. So this is the, or if you want to explore more times, you can click on explore more times and change your time. Change the time. Now, this is if you want to apply or if you want to go for an online version, if you want to apply online. But what if I want to go for the test centers offline? So let me go back and back. So I clicked on lockdown, get back to this instance again, and here I want to apply for the exam. This time, if I go for the test center, so yes, confirm and schedule now. So you have to set the schedule and you need to select the required details, English, and yes, I'll agree. And now basically it will check. So as you can see, there is only one. Okay, I have couple of locations, but you can see it's very far. So the location which is close to me, only this one, because I'm based in Kanpur. So this is a location based in Kanpur, which I can. Here is the examination center where I can go and attempt my certification exam, and I can schedule my exam here. So I just click on log out and it will take me back to my Trailhead Academy platform. So once you give the certification, once you attempt the certification, and once you clear the certification, you will be able to see all the certifications here under your profile. So if I click on my name, if I'll go to profile, I'm able to see the details here. When I click on Trailblazer profile, I can see certifications. I haven't added more certifications. So you can see a list of all the certifications and Trailhead modules you have completed. So that's how we can use this Trailhead or this Trailhead Academy for the upgrade. Trailhead Academy for Trailhead Academy basically for certification. So let us know in the comments which certifications are you aiming for this year. So basically, this Trailhead Academy, this will help you to explore the new certification experience program. You can set your goals, you can track your progress, and schedule the next certification. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where learning meets the opportunity. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update in the Salesforce world. So that's all in this tutorial, in this video. Keep watching. Thanks for connecting, everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye.